amazing. The first thing is I was impressed with the company. The materials came on time and they were packaged in a way that was very organized and very inviting. It was like opening a Christmas present.
I'm a director of special education, and I decided that I needed to get trained on the program. I know a lot about reading, I know a lot about the program, and decided I, as the director, should probably know how to implement the program. I was really amazed at how engaged and interactive the webinar was. It was all online for me. You know, when I usually attend a webinar, I work at the same time and I'm listening and I'm still working. I couldn't do that during this workshop. They really were having you involved and engaged, and the people that presented were really enthusiastic, so you really got into it.
One thing about Lindamood-Bell's training was that it was interactive. It allowed everyone an opportunity to participate. So you see an expert modeling the program, and then you have opportunity to discuss. But then what the facilitator did that was really engaging, she used the breakout rooms to go and put us in smaller groups, and then within those smaller groups we completed the steps in the training, and then we rotated within our mini group so everyone had an opportunity to model. And then when we would come back together, then we would share out. And so not only, again, did we learn from her, we got to learn from each other. The trainer was very knowledgeable of what students need and how we could use the program to really help. Helping students understand and learn how to visualize what they're reading can not just help them to improve their comprehension, but can get students to love to read.